Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video on some upcoming projects that I'm going to be working on. Over the last probably 3 or 4 months I've been I picked up a few model kits from secondhand stores, for St. Vincent de Paul's, a trash and treasures kind of place down here we have in town, and just wanted to go over them with you real quick and let you know that we're going to be building them on the channel. And looking forward to getting these. So the first one we have is the Bradley M2, and this is a infantry fighting vehicle. I haven't historically done a lot of military vehicles outside of airplanes and ships. I actually have never built a tank kit, so this will be my first tank kit. I got this one for, I think, $14 or $12 or something. The kit is complete. It was opened, but all of the parts and even the decals are there, and they look to be in pretty good shape. The instructions are a little yellowing, but that's okay. It can still be read. And most importantly, all the parts are here. This does have vinyl treads, which I'm kind of relieved. I didn't want to do an armor kit for the first time and have to manually assemble the treads like I know some kits are. That's a little more time than I want to put into this kit, so this was an inexpensive kit and it'll be a fun build. It'll also be a fun paint. I've never really, like I said, I've never really done any armored vehicles like this before, so it should be fun, and looking forward to building this one on the channel. Alright, let's get this one back in the box and get on to this next kit. Is the Revell 30th anniversary Cylon Raider. When I was a kid in the 80s, this was a really cool show and we watched it all the time. I did build the Colonial Viper kit when it first came out, way back when. Let's see, what's the copyright on this? Well, this one's 2007 because it was re-released, but I know the show came out in 79, so this kit was probably either 79 or 80 originally. Supposedly it's been retooled a little bit. We'll find out. The decals are all intact, and they look to be actually in not bad shape, but I may not use all of them. I may do some masking and painting of my own. And the big thing is everything is in the bag, so I'm not going to open it, but everything's there. And as you can see, it's a pretty good sized kit, so I'm looking forward to doing that. I'm also still on the lookout for another Colonial Viper. That was a fun kit to build when I was a kid, and I'd like to do another good job on finding another one and do a good build on that and put these together. Alright, and then finally, so when I was a kid in the 70s, my grandfather and I built this exact Huey. And I remember building it with him, and I always wanted to get another one and build it. And I actually did, over the holidays, get the newer version of the kit that's more recent. I got this one at Hobby Lobby with a 40% off coupon, so it was a great deal. And my plan is, since I now have two of these, I'm going to do the newer one as the gunship, and this one I'm going to do as a medical helicopter. And I've got some aftermarket decals so that I can make it an air ambulance, and so that'll be cool. I'll have two different types of Hueys. And this kit I got from St. Vincent de Paul, and as you can see, the person who had it before me started building it already, and I think this and the engine is all they were able to get done, which is great for me. All of the parts seem to be here. I've gone through and checked everything. The decals are here somewhere, but I may have to get some better decals because these decals are really yellowed and old. Here's the other set. So I don't know how these are going to come out. I mean, I can mask and paint pretty much all of the other stuff except, you know, the names, the United States Army and some of these, but we'll see what we can do. I may have to get some aftermarket decals for this kit. All right, so that is my my budget kit collection that I have thus far, and I'll be building these on the channel, so I look forward to sharing that with you guys. If you have any questions or suggestions on which one I should do first, let me know in the comments. I appreciate you watching the videos. Please like and subscribe, and we'll have some more content coming soon. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.